All the information in Alphacast can be integrated with other applications. The built-in data is already structured into clean, ready-to-use datasets. Whenever the data is updated, you'll receive a notification. You can also connect datasets directly to Excel. This allows you to keep your spreadsheets up to date with a single click on refresh. On the dataset view, click on the download button and copy one of the available links. Back in Excel, click on Data, then Get Data from Other Sources, and select From Web. That's it. Connecting to Python is even easier. In the Download tab, you'll find the code you need to copy. This lets you load an Alphacast dataset directly into a Pandas data frame. If you'd like to learn more about working with Python, you can access the SDK documentation. Our team can help you get the most out of the platform. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to reach out.